Mikey, what's going on? What's up, guys? Yeah, I put the replay up. You did hit a numbered card. Royals. Numbered to 150. Mojo. I think Daniel Lynch, I think his name is. Pitcher. And another Sabato, I think. Paper. Yeah. You're due. You're due for a good one. So, guys, after tonight, I still have 60 more boxes of Mega Box I'm doing breaks on the next, week and a half. So if you bid on a team tonight, your team is still available. I think 8 or 9 teams are taken for the rest of the breaks. But if you're interested in buying your team or a team for the rest of the breaks, 60 boxes, you can DM me after and we can talk about it, about a price. I know the Braves are taken, Indians are taken, Royals and Twins are taken, Pirates, Padres, Mariners. I think the Tigers are going to be taken here shortly. So, yeah, the rest of the teams are still available. All right, we'll get started here. Not too many people watching live. I think people watch replay. It's kind of late at night. So, yeah, we have a 5 mega box break. I will get this shipped out tomorrow night. Let me know if you guys have any questions on anything. You can DM me on here or message me on eBay. So, yeah, 250 total cards. Let's do it. So I'll do the 4 packs of the common cards first, and then we'll rip the nice 2 chrome pack. Good luck, guys. All right, here we go. We got Braylon Marquez. There's an Ohtani, Charlie Blackmon, Brian Anderson, Bryce Harper. 2 chrome cards are Bobby Miller and Isaiah Green. Justin Foscue, Jonathan India, and a Jose Tena is the first paper first. We'll do a review at the end of all the firsts and any other hits we get. All right, Jose Abreu. There's a Tatis. Rendon, Mountcastle rookie card. Javier, Jonathan India, Mackenzie Gore, Hunter Bishop, Adley Rutschman, and Riley Green. I did hit 2 autos last night. Indians and Rockies. My first break I did on Sunday night, I hit a number to 99 Nick Gonzalez Futurist auto. It was a nice card. Altuve, Polar Bear, Manny Machado, Luis Garcia, Sixto. Chrome cards, Miguel Amaya, Eddie Diaz. Get him a ton. Kelenic just got called down, Jared Duran, and a Rosario. I've yet to hit out of 10 boxes a chrome Austin Martin or a Blaze Jordan. Clark Schmidt, Tristan McKenzie, Ian Anderson, Madrigal rookie card, Crochet. Nick Lofton, there's a Julio chrome card. Ivan Johnson first, Jeremy Pena, and a Dylan Dingler. Nice Julio. All right. Chrome pack number 1. Yes, right off the bat. Very nice. Mojo Blaze Jordan. Nice hit. It's about time I hit one of those. Francisco Alvarez. Woo! There we go. Let's go. Kobe Mayo. Numbered 36 of 150 on card. Auto. Orioles, nice hit. There you go. Bobby Witt, Mojo. Wow, nice chrome pack. Shea Linglers. Very nice chrome pack. Bobby Witt, Blaze Jordan. Nice Orioles hit. I will do a review at the end. In case you guys joining right now missed something. Probably not going to get much better in that chrome pack, but good start. Wander Franco Mojo. Jeremy De La Rosa first. Mountcastle Mojo. Brett Beatty. Cade Cavalli. Oh, nice chrome in that first box. Mojo. Sure do hit a lot of autos. 4 out of 11 boxes so far that I've opened within an auto. That's a pretty good hit rate. Sixto, Jordan, DeGrom, Clevenger, Chapman, Austin Wells, Kevin Alcantara first, Cavaco, Brandon Marsh, Corbin Carroll. Javi, Whit Merrifield, Joe Adell rookie, Brian Hayes rookie, Spencer Howard, Heliot Ramos, Yusniel Diaz, Edinzo Reyes, Christian Robinson, Xavier Edwards. Brian Hayes, when he plays, it's pretty good. Tariq Skubal, Clark Schmidt, Tristan McKenzie, Ian Anderson, Madrigal, Matt Manning, and a Piguero. There's a Severino first, Max Meyer, Edward Cabrera. Garrett Crochet, Altuve, Polar Bear, Manny Machado, Luis Garcia, Hunter Green, Jackson Kowar, Sanchez, Drew Romo, and a Feliciano. All right. Now for the fire packs. First mojo is Jackson Rutledge. Brett Beatty. I'm a Brewers fan, so I like this card. Garrett Mitchell, Futurist. He's going to be a stud. Nick York and a Matt Manning. K. Cavalli. Another Bobby Witt for you, Mojo. Jazz Chisholm, Rookie of the Year favorites. Jordan Westberg and a Corbin Carroll. 2 Bobby Witt. Mojo's already. Not bad. Mikey. Yeah, I know you need Sabo. Clay, if you're watching, we need to get you a good Pache hit. Mookie. Bregman. Abreu. Tatis. Rendon. Maximo Acosta. First. Nice hit. Wander Franco, also chrome. Adolo, Jeter Downs, and a Blake Walston. Did he really? Nice. 2 minor league home runs will boost his card by 10%. It's crazy. If you're selling today. Joey Bart rookie card. Nate Pearson. Xander Bogaerts. Goldie. Josh Bell. Bryce Jarvis. Nick Allen. Rutledge. Larnach. And a Perdomo. He will be the probably #1 prospect maybe going into next year. That'd be my guess. Garrett Cole. Austin Meadows. Bubich. Tyler Stevenson. Tejeda. Corbin Carroll. Luis Garcia. J.J. Bleday. Brett Beatty. Tyler Soderstrom. Spencer Howard. Ketel Marte. Joey Votto. Hira Posey. Mario Feliciano and a Alec Manoa. Nolan Jones. Gunnar Henderson. Andrew Dahlquist. Woo! This pack feels hot. Hopefully. Nope. Shea Langlers. Christopher Morel. Cubs. Bowman first. Marco Luciano. Giants. There's a Jason. Nice. And an upside down Brendan Davis. Nice Dominguez. 2 firsts in that one, not bad. Nice. Cade Cavalli. Look at that. Another Witt. Well, you're making up for the first 2 breaks. Another Mountcastle. Oh, nice. Acosta. Zach Bean. Chromes are hot packs tonight. Yeah, I realize it's going to take me, with you getting 2 teams for 75 boxes, it's going to take quite a few bubble mailers to get it to you. Ed Howard. All right. I've been pulling him quite a bit. Austin Hayes. Evan White. Tavares. Jazz. Casey Mize. Just tearing it up now. Shane Baz. Josh Young. Jackson Kowar. Heston Kierstead. And a Nick Allen. Keep the base. All right, I'll have to go through them. I usually don't like keeping any cards of people's. It's your cards, but it's up to you. Brian Anderson, Bryce Harper, Yadier, Lindor, JD Martinez, Taylor Trammell. There's another Jeremy De La Rosa. Piguero, Patrick Bailey, Miguel Amaya. Who do you got? Guillermo. Mountcastle rookie. Christian Javier. Marquez. Otani. Blackman. There's a Paulson. Last year's No, I'll send them all. I don't care. I mean, I'll send multiple bubble mailers. That all is included in the price, so I don't care about sending them. So Paulson, Jose Salas, Logan Gilbert, Bryce Terang, Nick Lofton. You get all the cards. You earned them. Mookie, Bregman, Abreu, Tatis, Rendon, Bobby Miller, Isaiah Green, Laura, Detmers, and A. Dominguez. Oh, you got the Yankees? Nice. They do. I've been hot with, look at that, another Acosta. Very nice. Mojo first. Zach Veen. Tristan McKenzie. Drew Waters, and a Bryson Scott. Rangers cleaning up too. We need to get a Austin Martin somewhere in here. Robert Hassel. There's a Torkelson. Speaking of Tigers. Madrigal Rookie of the Year. Perdomo. And a Jeter Downs. Nice Torkelson. Tigers should be going for more money than they are. Just my opinion. All right, last box. Anderson Tejeda, Joey Bart, Nick Pearson, Goldie, Garrett Cole, Emerson Hancock, Kay Cavalli, Crow Armstrong, Tyler Freeman, CJ Abrams. Wow. If you do, that's nice for you, man. Castillo, Bellinger, Donaldson, Nola, Gallo, Tristan Cassis, Keanu Cavaco, Groshans, Nolan Jones, Dylan Dingler. Bobby Dahlbeck rookie card. There's a Pache base. Kybert Ruiz, Patino. There's a Trout finally. Brennan Davis, Yelbert Sanchez first. James Beard, Shoemake, Nolan Gorman. Last base pack. See, I'm doing another one of these breaks on Thursday night, 5-box. And then I'm doing a 10-box on Sunday night. And then I still have 60 total boxes after tonight's break to do. So if you guys bid on a team tonight, that means that team is still available. Other than the Tigers, I believe. So there's like 22 teams still available. So if you won your team tonight, it is available if you want to buy in on that team for the next 60 boxes. Just message me. Sean Murphy, Kyle Lewis, Scherzer, Chris Bryant, Santander, Bo Naylor, and a Severino first. Twins. Choi first, Kendrick, and a Jordan Adams. Just can't get that Sabato Chrome. Getting some Severinos, but we don't want those. All right, 2 Chrome packs left. Here we go. Mackenzie Gore. Alexander Ramirez first. Bobby Dahlbeck, Rookie of the Year's favorites. Corbin Carroll. And a Albert Sanchez. Down to the last pack to try getting more color or auto. And last night we had 2 autos and 2 blues. Don't think, oh, we got something. I think we got green. Patrick Bailey. We'll do that as the last card. Jordan Westberg. Matt Manning. We have a futurist, Robert Hassel. And last card of the night is a Logan Gilbert, numbered 6/99, Mariners. Logan Gilbert, Mojo. All right. Review time. Paper first. We do not have that many first. Choi, Jason Dominguez, Severino, Cabrian Hayes rookie card, Reyes, Ivan Johnson, and Atena. And that was it for paper first. Not that many. But we got a ton in chrome and mojos. Bobby Dahlbeck, Mojo Rookie of the Year favorites. Alexander Ramirez, Mojo. Yalbert Sanchez, Mojo. Just the Chrome Severino. Chrome Sanchez. Torkelson, Mojo. Rookie of the Year favorites, Madrigal. Acosta 1/2. Tristan McKenzie. Solace base, Jeremy De La Rosa. 1/3, Bobby Witts. Mountcastle. There's that other Acosta. Christopher Morel, Mojo first. Marco Luciano. Dominguez, Mojo. We also had an Acosta Bowman first. Wander Franco. There's a second Bobby Witt. Garrett Mitchell, futurist. Jazz Chisholm. Alcantara. Mojo Wander. Jeremy De La Rosa, Mojo. Another Mountcastle. The third Bobby Witt. Julio Rodriguez. And an Eddie Diaz. And then 3 color cards. Logan Gilbert, numbered 6/99, Mojo. We have the Blaze Jordan Mojo. And a Kobe Mayo, numbered 36/150, Blue Mojo Auto. Better tonight, Mikey. We're going to get you some of those Sabados. We need to. It's crazy. 15 boxes in. No chrome of him yet. There's a big one in there of something. I feel it. All right, like I said, yeah, if you guys want to bid on a team for the next 60, if you want one team, you can buy a team for the next 60 boxes. Otherwise, I will get this shipped out tomorrow night, or tomorrow morning, actually, probably. Yeah, we still got 60 boxes to go. I'll put the replay up on this Instagram as well as my YouTube page right after I hit end here. Thanks for joining, guys. I appreciate it. Have a good night, and hopefully I see you guys back for more breaks here in the next week. Peace out.